Why? Because the reason is your cell do not have much width and height. I will change its height. You can see I can change the height from here. Alright, when you click on this and click on top, see the top button is already on. The button which are on, you can see bold button is on and this button is on. Right now these two are at the bottom side. So when I click on it, middle, it goes in the middle of the cell, and this is at the bottom of the cell. Alright, this is the example of vertical alignment. Now you can see I have written in another line hello, hello and hello. Right, now we will do the example of horizontal alignment. Here are the buttons for the horizontal alignment. The first one is your align text left. It is already at left hand side. When you enter the text, it is at the left hand side. So what we will have to do for this, you will have to change the width of it. You can change the width of a cell from here, so that you can easily understand what we are teaching and what is the difference between these center, right and left. This is at the left hand side. You can click on it and press this button. This is for the, when you will bring the cursor on it, it will give you a tool tip. This is what, this is a tool tip. See, you can see this is a tool tip. The name of the button appears here. Okay, and the function is already written here. So click on center button. The text has moved into the center of the cell, and this is what, this is the right align. It will move the text at the right hand side of the cell. Alright, I hope you know the difference between your vertical alignment. This is the example of vertical alignment, and this is the example of your horizontal alignment. Alright.